And here we are. We keep losing air on this left rear tire. So now we need to take care of it and figure out what it is, because you can't just keep putting air in all the time, because that's not good. So there is obviously an issue. So the process we're doing is we're going to jack it up, get the tire off, take the lug nuts off. We're going to take the tire off. We're going to check over the tread to make sure there's no nails anywhere in the tread at any place in this, because if there is, we can put a plug in it and repair it. If there is not, we're going to spray the beads on both sides with some soapy water to check and see if there is a bead leak. If there is a bead leak, we're going to take it to the tire shop and have it done there, because I don't have a tire machine to get it repaired. Nice thing is, Bell Tires, that chain of companies, if you bring them the tire and it's just a simple leak, it's free. So you don't have to pay any money for it if it's just a bead leak, if you bring them the tire. If you have to bring the vehicle, I'm guessing they're going to charge you, but if you just bring them a tire, it'd be free. Now that we got the tire off, we're going to spray it with some leak detection spray to see where it's coming from. Spray it all the way around. Spray down the valve some there. We're going to sit back and watch and see where the leak shows up. Actually, you can see it starting to show up right here. These bubbles, though they keep growing, that is a leak. And there's another spot right there. Another way to show it is take a towel, wipe off the excess. It keeps growing. Right there you can see we have a bead leak.